welcome to Fact About Your Sports Stars on Iriri Lagba TV, and I am Precious Akintulubo, willing to learn more about unusual, eating, hilarious and recent facts about your sports stars. Then you are in the right channel. Our focus today is on a footballer superstar known as Cristiano Ronaldo. Do you want to hear 5 hidden facts about him? Kindly stay tuned. Let's go for a short break. We'll be right back. Welcome back to Fact About Your Sports Stars, as we will be unleashing 5 facts about Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano Ronaldo's full name is Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. He's born and also a native of Funchal in Portugal. Here are some 5 facts about him. 1. Low alcohol tolerance. Ronaldo is said to have low alcohol tolerance as a result of his father's death, Jose Aveiro, who died in his early 50s as a result of alcoholism. Although Ronaldo was said to have gotten drunk when he won Euro 2016 trophy after taking a glass of champagne, he later revealed that he never drinks, but that day was so special. 2. Heart surgery at 15. Ronaldo was revealed to have undergone heart surgery at age 15 as a result of a diagnosis known as tachycardia, which meant his heart rate was too fast. The surgery was a success. 3. No tattoos. The superstar player has no tattoos as a result of his blood donations and social project engagements. According to him, he prefers helping humanity to tattoo. Before proceeding to the final 2 facts about Ronaldo, do not forget to subscribe to Iriri Lagba TV for more facts about your sports stars. Proceeding to the next fact about Cristiano Ronaldo. 4. Almost aborted. Dolores Aveiro, Ronaldo's mother, revealed in an autobiography titled Mother's Courage about how she almost terminated her pregnancy with him. According to her, she almost aborted the pregnancy, but her doctor refused. And the 5th fact about Cristiano Ronaldo is expelled from school at 14. Surprisingly, Ronaldo was expelled from school at age 14 for throwing a chair at his teacher, with the claim that the teacher didn't respect him by making a mockery about his family poor condition. And that's our 5 facts about Cristiano Ronaldo on today's edition of Facts About His Sports Stars on Iriri Lagba TV. You can follow us for more information on IG at Iriri Lagba _TV, Facebook at Iriri Lagba TV, or mail us on michaeloli1999 at gmail.com. Also like, share and subscribe to this channel, Iriri Lagba TV. I remain Precious Akintulubo. Thanks for staying with us.